Good morning, this is Chris Blanks with Paragon Inspection, and today I am inspecting a brand new home. I've come across a couple of issues and just kind of want to share these issues with you to help stress the importance of even having brand new homes inspected. So in this house, we have a couple of plumbing fixtures that aren't working, one of them being the master tub that's not draining at all. And we also have a couple of windows in the house that won't open. They're totally inoperative. So this is one of them. This is also in the master bath. And as we proceed into the kitchen area here, we also have a window right over there that's not opening. And we also have a kitchen sink that has an active leak. So water present there. And so these are some things that the buyer is going to want to get taken care of before they close, and they will never have more leverage with the home builder than they will right before closing. So if you guys are purchasing or building a new home, consider having us inspect it for you, and we'll be sure that your interests are covered. Have a great day and give us a call at 281-766-9212. Thanks. Bye-bye.